Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to download and install Azure Copy tool, or in other terms Azure Copy tools. So guys, we know that this is a command line utility that we can use to copy data, blobs or files from between storage accounts, and also from our desktop, our local machine to Azure, and also we can use it to download from Azure to our local machine. So this is a free utility and you can download it from official Microsoft site. So I have opened this for you, and you have a link, download AZCOPY. So you can select which operating system you can download from. So you can see it supports Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So I select this, and it came around 13.2 MB and it's a zip file. Let me see if I can open it. Okay. So after opening that, unzipping the folder, this is what I have found. I have got a notice also. What is it? So third party notice. Okay, you can read, and if you want to run it, you can run it. So you cannot run it like that because the command prompt utility, command line utility, you need to run it from the command line. But you got the idea. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe.